So let's test that in a different fashion, the linear wave type. Let's see. Okay, I want this wave to finish a little earlier, so let me just limit it to like to 2. And let's say spawn 1, spawn 2, or let's just be simple. Spawn 1 every second. Let's hit play and watch it. Get that level wave finish. You can follow here. It's all spawning in linear fashion. As you can see, you only saw alright, let's end that. Let's add a new wave. This is let me show off the wave triggering system. Let's set this up and want it randomizing, and let's give it a 10 seconds again. Max enemies of 4 and spawn 3 enemies every second. Let's add a pool, 2 enemies, and let's leave them equal for now. This time also, let's do it again. This time let's go up and create another static spawn point, and let's add the red sphere here and move it over here. Let's move this over a little back. Actually, let me increase the pool. I want to make it equal. Okay then. Alright, this wave is now set as a trigger. Basically, I'll be able to turn on this wave whenever I want, as long as there's no other waves in play. First off, let me go to my small scripts that I have here. Let's open this one up, and I'm using, and yes, I am using Script Inspector, throwing that out there. I love it. Alright, I have a quick setup here that I've already started doing, and let's see what it does. Alright, I created 2 variables, one for wave time that says in 30 seconds I count down, and once the wave time is finished, let's start the wave number 3. So first of all, let's check if let me delete this. If I want to do something after a wave is completed, you can do that in direct-to-wave. Just a little quick if statement that's included. Let's look in the documentation. Let's see, wave completion. Alright, if I want to check if a wave is completed, let's do that. Let's copy this. And go back. Alright, let's check if wave number 2 is completed first. Let's change that. And make sure start is set to false initially. So let's do that. Set that to false. If start is what am I? So let's say if wave 2 is completed, and if start is false, let's start counting down to wave time, and when wave time hits 0, let's start a new wave, which is wave 3 here, and then turn off start and set start to true, and let's save that. And the wave wave check script is already attached to a game object that I'm gonna leave there, so we can check that when we want, and let's hit play and see what goes. Okay, this hasn't started counting down yet because wave 2 hasn't been completed, so let's go back. Wave 1 completed, wave 2 is enabled, so it's in play. Okay, wave 2 is completed, so let's look back at the game object and watch it count down because wave 2 is completed. Okay, let's count down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now wave 3 is enabled, and it's spawning 3 enemies every second. And we're limiting it to 4 enemies, and now it has completed. Okay, with the triggers, you can control it to spawn whenever you want. As I said, as long as all the waves are not in play, you can trigger a new wave. And with these settings, you can create multiple different wave setups that you would like, and add a couple of enemies. Use a pool waiting system to control, let's say, a boss. You don't want to be showing up multiple times, so you give his weight to, like, say, a 1, and move that weight up. So this enemy will have 1 chance to show up. And with that, it's a quick demo of Direct-to-Wave. Let me know how you like it, and there's gonna be more updates. I'm listening out to anyone that wants to add features that they would like to see, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.